You know those women who just always look so put together, they look so pretty, so polished. For the longest time, I thought that it was just about having money or genetics until I actually just started paying attention. It's not a you either have it or you don't type of thing. She's just intentional about her appearance. Hello beautiful people, I'm Maxine and I help the girls become the best version of themselves. If you're looking to improve yourself, glow up physically, mentally and emotionally, that's what we're all about on this channel. There are ways to look polished, put together and just pretty all the time, and especially ways that do not break the bank because we're not about that here. Firstly, it's about mindset. Having the mindset that always looking good is a form of self-care and well-being. Basically, you need to stop looking at it like it's too much work or it's too much effort. You look after yourself and your appearance because you know that you're worth it. You're worth the effort, you're worth the care. It's also about developing a strong self-concept so that your version of looking good is not dependent on society, on social media, or just whatever beauty trend is dominant, because you self-validate and you're never seeking anybody's validation. Even at home, you strive to look at least decent. Matching sets, cute loungewear, nice pajamas, silky robes, so that you can also just feel your best at home, because that's really where it starts. Secondly, it's about living in maintenance mode, never waiting until things get really bad to fix things. You maintain at all times. Like, you don't wait until your next scheduled nail appointment if your nails are chipping or they're breaking off. Take them off. Clean, trim, and file them. Apply the cuticle oil. Do your hand care. You do not need to wait until your nails look really, really bad for you to start telling people, ooh, don't look at my nails. That's an example of living in maintenance mode. Same way, if you have braids and your braids are growing out really quickly and you're not due for another hair appointment yet, either take them out before the time or wear a headband. You never let it get too bad before you take action. The next tip is protecting your baseline beauty. So your baseline beauty is how you look on your worst day. Keep note of small things that keep your lowest effort still attractive, so that you still have a natural radiant glow. So like keeping your brows shaped, keeping up with essential skincare, maintaining and grooming, just other small things that really make a difference. Having a regular but intentional daily skincare routine, nightly skincare routine, applying SPF all the time, nothing below 30, and maybe twice or 3 times a week the extra skincare. So the exfoliating, the face masks, the steaming. Now, makeup. I believe that makeup should be used to enhance your natural, beautiful features, not change or hide them. Learn how to do your makeup and do it well. If you're somebody who is still a beginner at makeup, learn how to do your makeup for you. Not because of trends, not because of what other people are doing. Learn how to do it for you. Learn how to do what suits you. Master the art of a 10-minute signature makeup. When you're doing it, sometimes you might be overdoing it and you don't even know. You might be wearing heavy makeup. I strongly believe that we should be learning makeup that suits us. And for so many of us girls, that is a soft beat. If you've seen somebody wearing orange blush and you thought, let me try orange blush, try the orange blush, see if it's for you. If it's not for you, move on. Learn what looks good on you. Learn what colors look good on you. And I just think that muted, sort of neutral or natural colors just looks way more polished and pretty than the loud, dramatic colors. Yes, maybe sometimes for an event, you might want to do heavier makeup. You might want to do the color. But you never want to look overdone. Just classic and timeless. On skin, making sure that you're keeping your lips moisturized and exfoliated at least once or twice a week. So I've learned that the sugar scrubs are actually quite abrasive, and I agree. And so I think that a better way to go about it is putting a wet wipe and just sort of scrubbing the dead skin off very gently. You're being very gentle with yourself and your skin. Also, apply the pink Vaseline. It is so good. Using that as an overnight mask, or if you have the money for it, try getting overnight lip masks, and it just keeps your lips moisturized as well throughout the night. And I cannot stress this one enough. Take really good care of your body skincare. Prioritize body care to keep your skin soft and smooth and just glowing. Over time, it helps get rid of pigmentation. It helps get rid of strawberry legs. You will really, really start to see a difference. And when you wear those clothes that you really want to wear, your skin is also looking good, it's glowing. Basically exfoliate twice a week. I am still very much a sugar scrub girl. It's really up to you on how you choose to exfoliate. Also do homemade regimens. So like charcoal scrub is really good. Mix activated charcoal with a little bit of sugar, some honey, maybe turmeric, plain yogurt, so that you're not staining your skin and nails. Mix all of that together. You can also add tomato, because tomato is really good for brightening the skin and helping you clear hyperpigmentation. Use that like twice a week. Also making whipped shea butter. So when you take the unrefined or raw shea butter, melting it and then adding your oils, that is a really good way to moisturize your skin and keep it moisturized. Never, and I mean never, let your skin get ashy. And wear sunscreen often on your hands and feet. Actually, our feet, if you're somebody who gets a lot of hyperpigmentation on your feet as well. Also, if you're somebody who does your nails often, when you're going to the nail salon, put sunscreen on your hands so that we're not making our hands and feet age quicker. Now for face and hair. What I strongly suggest is learn your face shape, whether you have an oval, round, heart-shaped, or whatever your face shape is, and learn the hairstyles that frame your face well. What I had to learn is that not every hairstyle that I've seen online I need to do. I had to learn that. And it's not always about having a fresh hairstyle every week. We know that that's unrealistic and expensive, but it's about knowing what hairstyles make your features pop and not just completely overpower you. You do not want a hairstyle that is wearing you. Some might look good with slick back hair. Some might look good with layers. It's about what makes you look good. So learn that and have your signature hairstyle or hairstyles. You do not need to follow all the hairstyle trends, because at some point you will realize that not every hairstyle or every color looks good on you. There are some girls that look really nice in a blonde. There are some girls that look really nice in a maroon. It's about you, your colors, what suits you. I think having signature styles just adds to the she looks good, and it just looks so effortless, even if it wasn't just done 2 minutes ago and you're still looking pretty and polished, because that hairstyle is for you. Take women like Lori Harvey, for example. She will change up her hairstyles, but it's almost always something very similar. It is rare seeing her experiment with all these different things. She knows her look is classic and timeless, and that's just her signature. But I really would like to say this. You might struggle to feel pretty and polished all the time when you are wearing loud, dramatic colors. Sometimes they are just doing too much. I mean colors like green and blue or pink or just bright red. If you want to look pretty and polished all the time, cut it out. Stick to the natural, beautiful colors that will enhance your features, make you look good, and not make you look like the hair is wearing you. The next tip is to smell good. Girls, smell good all the time. Even to go to bed, you should be smelling good. And again, we do not need to be buying the most expensive perfumes in order to smell good all the time. Arabian fragrances exist. Some of those smell really amazing. I will say though, just for perception and just like for those around you, sometimes we might not actually know or realize that our perfume is doing so much and it is hurting the noses and the heads of other people. You need something that doesn't scream, hey, I'm here, but just whispers. I'll also say marinate your clothes in perfume. When you go to take and fold your laundry, before you put it away, spray some perfume and then keep it in the closet so that they always smell nice whenever you need to wear them. Now this one is really important. Dressing for your body and not for trends. So on clothes, you need to learn what colors look the best on you, what colors complement you, and try to avoid those ones that overpower you or make you sort of like not flushed out, but washed out, like when the clothes are wearing you. At some point, maybe you'll realize this is not really my color. Now, I don't know much about color analysis, and some of these things I just do not hop on. I said this in one of my previous videos as well. Wear monochrome outfits. These just make you look so put together. White on white, pink on pink, blue on blue, purple on purple. Also, it just looks so effortless. Or matching sets. And I said this as well in one of my previous videos. Know what styles and silhouettes of clothing flatter your body and which styles do not. You don't need to be following trends. Being pretty and polished comes with sort of being more classic and timeless and not hopping on whatever is trending at that given time. If the shape or silhouette of clothing just doesn't make you look good or doesn't flatter you, don't wear it. Now for accessories, I think we all need to learn that silver and gold are both sophisticated and stylish. So always accessorize. Learn which metal between silver and gold looks better on you and make that your signature. When you don't have your hair done, when you don't have your makeup done, your accessories are on point. Maybe you like both or both look good on you, and that's also okay. Everything should match. And don't hate me for this, but I believe that you should move away from accessories that are dramatic and flashy. You know, the bulky, dramatic jewelry or accessories. That's just not so polished. Now, it's okay to wear a statement piece, but when you're wearing a statement piece, make sure you're not wearing 5 different statement pieces. The real classic accessories are the minimal gold, silver, pearl, white. Now for dental hygiene, your teeth should be pretty as well. You can do oil pulling using coconut oil and just swishing that around in the mouth for like 10 minutes. It pulls toxins out of your mouth, whitening your teeth, killing bad breath, or even healing cracked lips. The food that you eat and just lifestyle. If you regularly drink coffee or even smoke, you will get stains. So just making sure you're doing all the dental hygiene stuff, brushing, flossing, mouthwash. And lastly, your posture and presence. At times, this actually does more for you than clothes or hair can do. Walking confidently, like you're that girl, because you are. You sit proper, good posture, no slouching, no walking, you know, like you're shrinking yourself. Walk confidently. Also stretch often so that you're not feeling so stiff, especially if you're somebody who works out and lifts heavy weights. You will notice that if you're not consistently stretching, you will start to get stiff. Just move fluid, move with poise, move with grace. Don't move like you have no confidence. Sometimes confidence is something that you can actually fake, and the more that you fake it, the more that it becomes real, and nobody even knows if you're faking confidence. Yes, you will look presentable. Yes, you will look polished. That is also very important. But confidence when you're wearing these things. Confidence is such a big deal. Over time, build your confidence, and like I said, fake it till you make it. With that said, I hope that this video was helpful. I hope that you learned a thing or two and you're able to apply it into your day-to-day life. Thank you for watching this video, and if it was helpful, then I've done my part. Please return the favor by checking out some of my other videos, subscribing, and let us chat in the comments. And I'll see you girls in the next one.